Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by thanking you for helping me show you how to travel smarter. So I'm in Lahore, Pakistan right now. I am in the oldest hotel in the entire country, and what a crazy ride it's been. From starting blogging over 10 years ago to being featured in the New York Times, PC World, Wired, and also traveling to over 90 countries and developing 5 of the top 50 travel apps on the iOS App Store. It's kind of crazy that we are here. And it's all been thanks to you and your support over all of those years. It's been a bit quiet over the last week on YouTube because I've been working on a big travel project. By the way, if you happen to be in Pakistan right now, hit me up in the comments. I'm working on a project that I'd like to share with you. So keep an eye out for that coming up in the next couple of weeks. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. But today I wanted to take the time and just give you all a big thanks. Thank you for supporting the foXnoMad travel tech channel over the last year where there hasn't been a lot of travel due to the pandemic. But over that time, you've helped grow the foXnoMad channel 3 times to what it was last year. And like I said, when we hit the first million views, I wanted to show you the world through videos. I started off blogging, then I went into developing travel apps, but I wanted to really show you this journey over video. And for a long time, I didn't, mainly because I didn't like being in front of the camera and I was really focused on writing. And I think all that writing experience has come in handy. It helps me with scripting the videos, coming up with the narrative, coming up with the story for the videos. And now that travel is slowly starting to resume, I feel like this is the best way to show you the rest of the journey. And I've even sort of gotten used to being in front of the camera over the last year or so of videos, maybe a little bit. But I wanted to thank you again for being one of the first 10,000 subscribers to this channel, watching this video, which is the first that's being uploaded to that number of subscribers. And I have a lot of plans coming up, a lot of travel plans, a lot of video plans, a lot of places I want to take you and show you with the camera. So I'm really looking forward to what's coming up. And I've got a few other milestones that I've got in my sights, and I'm hoping we can get there, and I'm pretty confident we can. I try to make every video better than the last video, and I have no doubt that we'll hit those milestones not too far off from now in the future. So thank you. And before I go, I want to give you a gift. I've got a Tortuga Outbreaker laptop backpack to give away. I recently reviewed that backpack, which I'll link to in the description below. But if you want to enter to win this backpack, all you have to do is like this video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and then leave me a comment down in the comments below, and I will pick one of you at random at the end of September 3rd, and I will send the backpack out to you. It's a great backpack, and hopefully it'll be great for you when you take it with you on your own travels. And I have a whole bunch of other giveaways planned for the rest of 2021, so if you don't win this backpack, there's going to be a lot of other stuff for you to win, so good thing you're subscribed, right? Thanks again. I will leave links to where you can find out more about me. You can find me on Twitter and Instagram as well if you want to check those out, all in the description below. But for now, I'll see you in the next video, and as always, travel smart.